Hey artists, welcome to our third proportion warm-up. Now yesterday we used this image to just simply draw our items to scale. Now today we're going to use a different image of these same three objects and see how depth changes the scale, distance rather changes the scale. So let's take a look at that. So here we have those same three objects, and because they have been put in different places at different distances, you see that the size and the scale has changed. The white magnet has become the largest object, while the tape has become the smallest object. And even though it's a little blurry, we're not going to worry about the blur of the tape in the background. We're just going to draw it as a hoop or a donut, what it looks like. So just notice how the differences that happen, the scale that changes as we begin to draw these things. So one of the main things that I want you to notice as you begin to draw these things is not just the scale, but how the base of these objects are no longer level. As things go back in space, the bottoms of those things get higher on your paper. So you got to make sure that you do that and make the right adjustments to make sure that happens. So you see how I've kind of used my space relationships there to mark a place where the bottom of the pin is relative to the middle of the magnet, and then notice how when I draw the tape, I'm seeing that it's lower than the top of the pin, so I'm drawing that in, and I'm putting a nice line of the table there just to make sure that it doesn't look like it's floating around. So it's as simple as that. So you see how the scale has changed from yesterday to today just by changing the depth.